Okay, we see that the defroster is not working, which is here. This cannot be. So we're gonna need a refrigerator guy to replace my defroster. Let me defrost this fridge, and I'll get back to you because the food is getting too cold or too warm in the fridge. All right. When you see a freezer like this, it's either the defroster or the logic board. In my case, it's the defroster. When it was replaced about a year ago, everything was working fine. All right, that was done by Yuri. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I discovered another problem with the fridge. As you see, there's water accumulating here. It's not going down. There's a hole right here. It's supposed to drain down into the pan. So when I'm soaking this up, all right, I'll get back to you when that's done. Maybe the fridge is not level. I don't know. If I'm going to put hot water, maybe there's frozen ice down there. I mean, hot water I'm going to put down here. There's a hole right there. Okay, I got the water to drain by using some hot water and vinegar. The hole is actually here. You can't see it. But there's a hole. When this thing defrosts, the water goes down here into the bottom. All right, this is basically what it should look like. This camera kind of sucks. I'm getting sick of this shit. I didn't take all the ice off. I'm gonna get the cool. All right, one more pause and I'm done. This is the defroster. This is all the water that came off of this ice that the defroster is supposed to melt down into this to the tray. This is what it looks like when the defroster is working. But guess what? I got a new one, so we'll see what happens next month. All done. Fridge is clean.